Want to learn how to adjust audio in Descript's multitrack mode? Stick around as I show you exactly how to make your editing process easier and faster, especially if you're just starting with the software. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to take control of your audio like a pro, whether you're working on podcasts, interviews, or any audio project. First off, if you're not familiar with Descript, it's a powerful tool that combines transcription, screen recording, and audio editing in one place. And yes, you can try it out for free with an exclusive bonus offer through the first link in the description below. Now, let's dive into multitrack mode. When you're working with multiple audio files, Descript's multitrack mode is your best friend. It allows you to align and adjust different audio clips all on one timeline, making it super easy to edit without switching between tracks constantly. To get started, you'll want to import your audio files into Descript. After that, simply click on the Multitrack button on the top of your workspace. This will open up the Multitrack editor, and you'll immediately see all your audio files stacked in separate tracks. If you've worked with other editing software, this setup might look familiar. But here's where Descript stands out. Everything you do here is also reflected in the transcript, making it incredibly intuitive. Once your audio tracks are visible, you can adjust the volume levels. You'll notice a little volume slider on each track. This allows you to adjust the gain for each individual clip, ensuring that your audio levels are balanced across the entire project. But here's a cool trick. If you want to make finer adjustments, click on the track to reveal more detailed controls and use the volume automation to create smooth, dynamic changes in volume across the track. This is perfect for balancing spoken word with background music or making subtle adjustments to a voiceover. Next, let's talk about panning. You can also control the stereo balance of each track. On the left side of the track controls, you'll find a pan slider. This will allow you to shift your audio from left to right in the stereo field. It's a simple but effective way to make your audio mix feel more dynamic. Another great feature is the ability to isolate or mute individual tracks. If you're working with multiple speakers or sound effects, you can mute a specific track temporarily to focus on others. It's as simple as clicking the mute button on the track you want to isolate. Now, one of the things I love about Descript is the way it handles noise reduction. If you've got a track with unwanted background noise, Descript's Studio Sound tool is a game changer. Simply select the track, open the Effects panel and choose Studio Sound. This will automatically clean up your audio and give it that polished, professional sound without any complicated settings. It's a feature that really sets Descript apart from other audio editing tools. If you need to trim or cut a part of your audio, Descript allows you to do it directly from the transcript. Just highlight the section you want to cut and Descript will remove it from the timeline, saving you time and clicks. And if you make a mistake, no worries. You can easily undo any action with the click of a button. Finally, when you're satisfied with the audio adjustments, you can export the final project. Descript lets you export your work in multiple formats, including MP3 and WAV, which makes it super convenient for any kind of distribution. Just click Export, choose your settings, and you're done. So, whether you're adjusting volume, panning, noise reduction, or just trimming audio, Descript's multitrack mode gives you the flexibility and power you need to make your audio sound great. Before you go, remember that you can use Descript completely free, and I've linked an exclusive extended free trial in the description below. Don't miss out on this awesome offer.